Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. Today, we have a new story for you. It is our 8th story. This story is about a simple act of kindness. The story is called The Boy Who Shared His Sandwich. Please listen very carefully. Let's learn about sharing and kindness. Let's start our new story. In a big city, there was a quiet park. In this park, on a sunny day, sat a boy named Alex. Alex was a happy boy. He loved to go to the park. He had a red backpack. He took his lunch out of the backpack. His lunch was a very, very big sandwich. The sandwich was big, it was thick, it looked delicious. The sandwich had 2 pieces of bread, it had yellow cheese, it had green lettuce, it had red tomato, it had brown ham. It was the perfect sandwich. Alex was hungry. He was ready to eat his sandwich. He looked at the sandwich. His mouth watered. He took a big bite. The sandwich was delicious. As Alex ate his sandwich, he heard a small sound. Rustle, rustle. He looked up from his sandwich. He saw a little animal. It was a squirrel. The squirrel was brown. It had a big, fluffy tail. The squirrel's name was Sammy. Sammy the squirrel was looking for food. Sammy had looked all day. He looked under the trees. He looked in the grass. But Sammy found no food. Sammy was hungry. Sammy's stomach was empty. His eyes looked sad. He looked at Alex. He looked at Alex's big, delicious sandwich. Sammy sat on a tree branch and watched. Alex saw the squirrel. He saw the squirrel's sad eyes. He saw the squirrel's empty hands. Alex looked at his sandwich. It was a very, very big sandwich. It was enough for him. He thought about the squirrel. The squirrel looked so hungry. Alex thought, I have a big sandwich. The squirrel has no food. I can share. Sharing means to give a part of your food to someone else. Alex felt his heart become warm. He felt a good feeling inside. He took the big sandwich in his hands. He broke a small piece of the sandwich. It was a piece of bread and a piece of cheese. Alex smiled at the little squirrel. He put the small piece of sandwich on the grass, right next to the tree. Then, Alex sat back and continued to eat his sandwich. Sammy the squirrel saw the piece of sandwich on the grass. His sad eyes became wide. He looked at Alex. Alex smiled. Sammy quickly ran down the tree. He ran to the piece of sandwich. He took the bread and cheese in his small hands. He ate the piece of sandwich very, very fast. Munch, munch, munch. Sammy's stomach was not empty anymore. Sammy looked at Alex. He waved his small hand and chattered. Chatter, chatter. Sammy felt very, very happy. Alex watched the squirrel. He saw the squirrel's happy face. He saw the squirrel's wagging tail. Alex felt very, very happy too. His sandwich was smaller, but his heart was bigger. He learned something important that day. Sharing your food is a kind thing to do. Sharing your kindness makes someone happy. And when you make someone happy, you feel happy too. Alex finished his sandwich. Sammy the squirrel was playing in the tree. They were both full. They were both happy. Alex and Sammy were now friends. What do you think about Alex's story? Do you like to share? What is your favorite food to share? Think about a time you were kind to someone. How did you feel? That was a wonderful story about the boy who shared his sandwich. We hope you enjoyed listening to our 8th Storytime episode and learned new words about food, kindness, and friendship. Remember, listening to English stories every day is a fantastic way to improve your English understanding. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our stories. If you liked this episode, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories and lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.